Alright, we're gonna de-restrict this Honda 9.9 today on Doing Stuff with Dylan. If you enjoy what you see, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button. On this episode, we're gonna go ahead and de-restrict this Honda 9.9. It's an old one. Has the same block as the 15 horse, but we can take one little screw out. Boom, 13 horse. Let me show you. I'm part way taking the screw out already. Right here is the screw. See that screw? Normally it keeps you from opening the throttle all the way. See how the throttle normally only goes to fast. I've already started removing it, so it's even worse than it was. But I'll show you the before and after. How fast it is. Take this nut off, then take that screw out, and it de-restricts your Honda 9.9. Simple as that. See how the angle's weird? But you can still get it out with a regular screwdriver. I'll show you the difference before and after videos. Right on the fast line, let me show you. There's the weight. This is top speed restricted with the Honda 9.9. One person on a 14-foot tri-haul game fisher. Saying 9.1 knots, 9 knots. Right steady at 9 knots. We're planed out pretty decent. 9 knots, that's what my experience before. Alright, so I just got the screw out. There's the screw and the nut. And this is what it looks like without the screw and the nut in. See, that can come all the way over. And then the throttle will go right on past fast. This is where it would normally go to. Right about there. But now we got more. And if you put a different cam and rejetted the carburetor, you could get to 15 horses. Here's our difference. Might not seem like much to you, but I feel it in my seat.